Few video game franchises have managed to capture the hearts of generation after generation of gamer quite like Pokémon. The Pokémon universe is just jam-packed full of fun and colorful creatures that are perfect for transforming into a show-stopping cosplay piece. And so, with that in mind, here are 10 favorite Pokémon cosplay ideas that you can make at home in no time at all. And at number 10, we have everybody's favorite cuddly yellow mouse, and the unofficial mascot of the Pokémon franchise. Pikachu is arguably the most recognizable Pokémon of all time, and when done properly, can make for a truly electrifying costume idea. The cute crop top and yellow miniskirt pairing perfectly with Pikachu's distinctive lightning tail and ears, this is one of our most popular costume guides of all time for a reason. Next up, we have one of the most unique creatures in the Pokémon franchise. Eevee has been with us ever since the first generation of games released way back in 1996. What makes Eevee so unique is its ability to evolve into almost every canon Pokémon type you could imagine. Because of its versatility, Eevee and Eevee's evolutions are incredibly popular cosplay options. Stick around for a couple more of our favorite Eevee evolution costumes. At number 8, we have the first human on our list, and one of main protagonist, Ash Ketchum's most loyal allies. Misty is a skilled gym leader with a love for all things aquatic-based. If it's a water-type Pokémon, chances are Misty has had it in her party at one point or another. This cosplay is super cute and unbelievably easy to make at home. All you need are a pair of red suspenders, a yellow top, and some denim shorts, and you're ready to go. At number 7, we have possibly the least recognizable Pokémon on our list. Gardevoir, or the garden Pokémon, is renowned for its exquisite beauty and humanoid-like appearance. This outfit is perfect for anyone looking for an excuse to wear a long and flowing white dress alongside some natural green accents. Next up, we have one of the most important characters in the Pokémon universe. Nurse Joy is single-handedly responsible for keeping the Pokémon population happy and healthy following their many battles. It also just so happens that Nurse Joy wears one of the most seductive little nurse outfits we have ever seen. What's not to love about this look? Number 5, we have the first of our Eevee evolutions. Umbreon is a dark-type Pokémon first introduced in the second generation of games. Its distinctive all-black fur, contrasted against striking yellow accents, makes this an ideal Pokémon costume idea for anyone who prefers a darker color palette. Coming in at 4, we have the Pokémon with a voice so sweet it could lull even the biggest insomniac into the slumber of his or her life. Jigglypuff is the adorable pink ball of fur that you can't help but fall in love with. Just be forewarned, if you do happen to fall asleep in Jigglypuff's presence, you might wake up with some new facial hair and spectacles that weren't there before. At number 3, we have one of Eevee's more recent evolutions, the fairy-type Pokémon, Sylveon. We love this cosplay option for its beautiful and feminine color palettes, as well as those long and distinctive fairy-like ears. Which Pokémon would you imagine is the most popular in the USA? The answer might surprise you. No, it's not Pikachu or even Charizard. How many of you guessed Jengar? That's right, the ghost-type Pokémon and Eater of Dreams is in fact the most popular Pokémon in the United States. Who knew? And last but by no means least, we have Eevee's fire-type evolution Flareon. This cosplay has some truly fiery potential when done right. Dressed all in orange with a cozy white fur shawl, we have a feeling tonight is going to get very hot indeed. Did you enjoy our Pokémon costume roundup? You can find links to full outfit guides for all the Pokémon featured here in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for new DIY costume and cosplay ideas every week.